welcome back to my channel, my gorgeous glam crew. So as you can see, we've got the girl out. In case you are new to the channel or you missed the video, this is Carmen, and she is our newest girl to the channel. We have two other doll-like hands, and the first girl was named Dolly, and this is her. And our second girl was named Patsy, and she's not wearing a set, so we really need to do something for her, but that's another video for another day. So when I got Carmen, she came with some nail tips that were really like so curved, okay? And they were not working for her. So I just took a chance and ordered some. Let me tell you a little story about how I ordered them as well. And this is not sponsored. I just really like the service. I use that extension called Honey. I know you guys know what it is. I'm not going to explain it to you. But because I had just got internet through Cox, I got a big chunk of points for that. And so I had a $10 Amazon gift card, and so I was able to order these for nothing. So yay. And because of Amazon Prime, I got them the next day. So these are the Vivace Royal Salon Enchanted Squares Low C Curve Clear. And several of these fit her pretty well, as you can see, guys, pretty well. It's not perfect. Like, it's not exactly touching on there, but it is so close. I am really pleased with how they fit. This box has 50 of each size. I haven't tried yet trying to size them, you know, cut them down to smaller sizes if I want, because only certain ones are going to fit her, right? So we're going to try some experiments to see if maybe narrowing some of these up would make them fit her, you know, but it may or may not work. We'll try it though. And we can certainly use these for other experiments of things, and I can use them for practicing when I'm not on camera and stuff like that. So it was probably not the best deal in the world because they were like $8 or something, $7-8 for the set. And I did want to point out this box is really shitty. Oh, sorry guys. It's not good quality because there's no, like you can see it just opens. So if you drop this, these are gonna go everywhere. So if that's a concern to you, I would not recommend them. But if you have this specific hand that you can buy from Amazon and you need tips that fit it, this is a very good option. I'm not done trying other ones, and of course I will let you know as we play with her what other tips I buy and how they fit her, so that if you purchase that hand, you can buy tips with some knowledge of what you're going to be dealing with. All right, guys, I have a little makeshift stand here that we're going to hope works. And we're going to try one of these first forms. You could glue a tip to this 100%. Okay, before we do that though, what I need to do is add some base coat, because otherwise the gel won't stay on these tips, I'm sure. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to form her up with one of these little silver forms. Let's just use some Yogi Tender Pink Polygel. Whew. This is some stiffness. We got the real stiffness there. The real stiffness. I forget how stiff Yogi is, honestly. It's time for some new Yogi in the collection. Most of my Yogi is gone right now. I need to do something about that. Hit a thumbs up if you want some Yogi. The thing I like about Yogi is it is so inexpensive that you can just practice to your heart's content with Yogi. There is no kind of feeling like, oh, my gel cost $50. I can't throw it away. Because it didn't cost $50. It was probably like $4. And you shouldn't throw your work away anyway. I have a whole box of tips that I've made. So just keep them, right? That's your work. You should just keep it. Okay, and look how quickly that sculpted up. Let's go ahead and cure it. I don't even think this is going to take that much filing. That's one of the beautiful things about polygel, is how beautiful it is. I just want to give it a little more shaping here. I've not really done a ton of nails on the girl, just a tiny bit here and there, but this actually seems look at how I've twisted her finger out of shape. Let's go ahead and cure this up. When you're putting her in the lamp, I definitely recommend you set the hand on something so the fingers can just be extended in the air. Otherwise, that form is going to click on something and your whole nail will be ruined. So give yourself something to set her on, okay? Because it really is going to matter. It's going to make your life a whole lot better. Okay, guys, we are out of the lamp. Let's clip this off, and honestly, I'm not mad at it. It's pretty cute for just a fast nail that I haven't even filed yet. Guys, I think these tips are going to work for this hand. I am super pleased that I grabbed them. Clearly, I need to work on my technique. But I do love that the base coat or anything that you get on her just rolls right off. You don't have to worry about any of that. I think I'm really going to have fun working with her. There's a learning curve, and I'm going to enjoy figuring all of the ins and outs of this new hand. But I think these tips are going to help us to do that. And I think you guys watching and giving me pointers in the comment section is going to help us to grow as well. So thank you so much, guys, for coming by and watching me play with Carmen a little bit today and do this cute little nail on her. I think even without filing, it's a pretty good looking nail, and I think we may have found our tips. So if you've got this Amazon hand, this Vivace set is a good option. I'm going to keep looking, as I said, but this is definitely going to be, for now, my fallback position. So there's definitely going to be a lot of really cool nails coming up on the channel in the next few weeks. So be sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell, and leave me a comment and let me know what kind of nails you'd like to see on Carmen, because we have a lot of fun work to do together. And I know you guys are going to have a really great time watching us. So until next time, you guys have a wonderful day. Mwah! We'll see you back here on Friday.